The time has come. Go for a ride. I hear billions of bikes out, so I want to ride too. Okay. Look at this thing. I cleaned the wheels, got all the gross chain grease, chain lube off the wheel as much as I could. I put tire shine on the wheels, or the tires, obviously only to here. I'm not putting it, you wouldn't want to do that. It'd be slippery just to the edge, which I never get there anyways. She looking good. Take a couple laps, take a little cruise. She got oil in her, fresh oil change. Ready to rip. It's rip time, baby! She's all warmed up, fresh oil, running good. I tightened the slide cap on my carb and it seems to idle a little smoother, so maybe it was loose and it's getting a little vacuum leak, but it seems good now. I'm gonna fill this thing up with some gas and see who's out. It's windy. Way windier than I thought it was, but no big deal. See if I can't make a mess, because I can't see anything. I think that's full, actually. $1.33 still. Last year, be lucky to fit $1 of this thing. Also, my phone, iPhone 12, whatever Pro, is like a little bit too big for this phone mount. It kind of likes to shift up and down and like almost fall out of the rubber grips. It hasn't yet, but I've had to adjust it a few times. So I kind of don't like that. I might have to go back to using my old phone for my speedometer, even though the battery lasts like a solid 45 minutes before it's dead. But at least if that phone falls off, I'm not out, you know, $1,200 for a usable phone. So that's a thing. I'm gonna have to start using that again. Not a big deal. I just didn't have it charged today, so I'm using my phone. Not a big deal, it's whatever. But I'd rather have that not fall out, so we'll see. Just passed the Grom up here, I gotta catch him. Oh, come on, get out of my way. Let's go, people, let's go. No, come back. I'm gonna try to get him. I need riding partners. I at least want to race him. Make him sell that Grom, build one of these. Word. He doesn't know I'm behind him yet. Everybody's just putzing along 2 miles an hour. I'm gonna follow this guy. Grom dude's behind me. I kind of want to rip a fat wheelie for him. Because why not? Just hope there's no cops. You know? Hopefully not. We'll see. Had to do it for him. Why not? Let him know it's time to ride, baby. We ain't playing around. Now I need to go hit some back roads and actually do some good wheelies, because now I gotta do some wheelies. That's just how it works. Man, that was 4th gear. I thought it was 3rd. Works for me. Grom dude didn't even want to follow me. I was like, did a wheelie in front of him. We got to the stoplight, didn't even acknowledge me, and he went left and I went right. I'm like, come on, man. Let's go hit some back roads. Do some wheelies or something. I'm gonna go out to the road that I usually take my car on at night and take pictures and videos of it, whatever, with my 360 camera. I'm gonna rip some wheelies out there because that's a pretty popular like bike road around here because it's like a industrial area and it's usually nobody's out there and it's really smooth, so I'm gonna go out there and rip some. My clutch feels weird. This whole thing feels weird. Like, it's shifting weird, it feels like. The clutch feels weird. I just did an oil change. Maybe the oil's different. I don't know. Feels weird. Can't understand why. Just gonna ride with it, let it do its thing. But it does feel weird. Oh, we're in the clear, baby. Ooh, a little hiccup. Not in my house. I let off the throttle too quick. Those people didn't look too happy, so I'm gonna dip out of here because they probably live in those apartments down there and they probably hate that people come out here and do this. It's not like my bike's very disguisable, but either way, I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. Ooh, she is popping and shooting flames hard right now. I wonder if it's lean or whatever, but well. My rear brake needs to be tightened. I gotta stop and do that. Alright, I just tightened my brake. I just wanted to make sure I zipped up my zipper for my wallet. Might have tightened it too much, but it is what it is. It's like right there. Oh yeah, we're good. We're golden. It'll work. It'll wear itself back in like it always does. Well, since I can't go out on the country roads and have fun because it's too windy, I can't really rip wheelies in town. I mean, I can, but it's like so early in the year, I don't want to already ruin it for myself. I think I'm just going to take another lap, see what's happening, and then I'm going to grab my car so I can get that washed up. Go from there. The wind just ruins it. Like, too small of a bike to be this windy. Also, this video is not very exciting or anything, I'm just out riding. The wind's kind of ruining it, but soon we're going to get the squad together and we're going to spend a day riding, get all of us back together. I don't think we even all rode together last year, just like a couple of us here and there together, so we'll get that set up, but we got to wait for the weather to be a little bit more consistent. Obviously it's hit or miss right now, and I'm just riding when possible, but at least we're out riding. So soon we'll have more people, we'll go on a ride, get sketchy, get all the cameras out. But today and the other day are just kind of get it out, stretch its legs, make sure it's all good. That's pretty much it. But I'm going to finish this lap up through town and head home, get the car out, get that thing washed up. It's crazy, I can just like gun it first, second, third, and it was already like almost 50 miles an hour, if not like 50. Just like that quick. Crazy how quick this thing is for how small it is. But there's a policeman right in front of me. I'm almost home. So I'm gonna grab the car, put this away, and enjoy the rest of the weather in my car. Oh yeah, quick little update just because I always do it. We went 24 miles, top speed of 66.7, which isn't great, but it was windy and I was in town most of the time. I actually think that 66 was in town, not even when I was out of town. But yeah, that's it.